Hello, my name is Peter Berry, Managing Director of Peter Berry Consultancy, and we've been the Australian distributor of Hogan Assessments for 18 years. It's my pleasure to talk to you today about our high-performing team assessment. Can I just preface this by saying Dr. Robert Hogan has this fantastic quote, "Leadership is about results, teams deliver results, so therefore judge the leader by the team." So we designed the HPTA around that philosophy, and that philosophy is grounded in 30 years of scientific research that the Hogans have done. Now, the challenge for us is at the moment teams are not widely addressed. It's not featuring in your business plan, i.e. all teams to be high performing and assessed annually, and yet we know that a lot of teams can be dysfunctional. For example, our research shows 65% of teams lack accountability. So, based on the concept of wanting to improve leadership and employee engagement, we decided we needed a product that focused just on the unit of work called the team. So what have we done? We designed an online team assessment. It's done confidentially. It takes 15 minutes to do. It's in very straightforward business language. It's very intuitive and user-friendly. And we ask participants of a team to assess both the performance of a team. So we look at strategy, innovation, accountability, leading change, results, meeting effectiveness. And you have to also focus on culture. So we're trying to measure the trust in the team, how they manage professional conflict, how openly they communicate, the emotional intelligence of the group, the collaboration that goes on in the group rather than silos, and their resilience, their ability to handle pressure. So the report has 60 standard items, which are all benchmarked. We then go into an opportunities table where they pick the most important things that would take their team to the next level, and those opportunities are also benchmarked. And then there's written text, what would improve the performance of the team, what would improve the culture of the team. Now, once you put that report on the table, there's no place to hide. The team then has to confront what their challenges are. They also have to look at, well, how do we feel about getting a below par score, an average score, or a great score, and what's our goal going to be in 12 months' time if we redo the team assessment. There's a lot of validity and science to it. We have a technical manual. There's been a range of white papers. We're using it with our global partners, so it's being used in South Africa, Mexico, UK. And I think it sits beautifully alongside Hogan personality assessments and the 360 if you want to measure in total the health and dynamism of a team. And then the next step is to say, well, what's the correlation with employee engagement, customer satisfaction, and bottom line results? There are 4 different standards of the team assessment. The first one deals with an executive of a business or a unit in a multinational. The second one is a middle management group, or it could be a significant project in a construction engineering sense. The third one is for frontline managers who have subordinates or direct reports. Then we have the agile team assessment, because a lot of organisations are going down the path of agility, calling disparate people together to work together for a common purpose with a common time frame, and they need to be clearly very high performing. So I invite you to look closely at the team assessment. If you're working with teams from a coaching or a leadership development program, it's a no-brainer that you should have a tool like this in your kit bag.